There's a breaking news that you need to be aware of right now, because after JAMB did this resitting of exam and all the rest, so they are set to give you the JAMB result. They are set to give you the new date for checking your result. Alex Oya, who is the owner of CEO of Educare, who is actually the person that have been helping everybody to ensure that JAMB does the right thing, has come out just a few minutes ago, not up to 1 hour ago, as of the time I'm recording this video, to declare that the new JAMB result will be published on Wednesday. The new JAMB result will be, that should be on 21st, right? Wednesday, 21st of May, JAMB will release the new result after the resitting and all the shenanigans that went on. We have been invited, that means Educare, Alex Oya and his team has been invited by JAMB to participate in the review. JAMB had to call for a right of 2025 JAMB exam, especially in Lagos, in Enugu, Anambra, Imo, Ebonyi, and one other southeastern state, or Abia state. All the southeastern states rewrote, including Lagos state, right? You can start checking your result from Thursday morning. So hopefully JAMB result for this year will be released by Wednesday 21st, but he's saying that in case you wake up in the morning, you can just check. By now, I'm sure you already know how to check your JAMB result, but if you have any question at all concerning how to check your result, please rush to the comment section and ask me right now. There's a video on the screen. You can watch it, and I want you to claim in the comment section that right now, in this your last attempt, nothing will stop you from getting high score, 300 and above. I want you to claim it, and you will be among those that will not be disappointed. If you have not been able to check your JAMB result, let me know. If there is any issue, feel free to ask me right now in the comment section.